Hey everyone, so got a strand of pearls here. They're not bad. Usually something this good will have a gold clasp on it. And let's see, they put it right there. There it is, 14 karat. So, you know, 18-inch necklace, 6mm pearls, 5 to 6. Not bad. I paid 15 for the bag. Boom, right there. I'll get money, times 4, 10. No, I can't do math right now. Sorry. Okay, let's see what we got in here. We got some giant belt buckle that is nothing. It's like zinc or something. It's unfortunately some little plasticky and metal. Okay, this, oh, that had a good color, but it's mixed with these junk. It's almost like Mardi Gras stuff. Sorry. Necklace. No, but look at the stone. Ooh. But it'll sell. Somebody bought it before. As my old boss used to tell me, put it out. Somebody bought it before. But it's weird. Doesn't matter. Put it out. Okay, this has some. No, nothing. Okay, it's just it so looks like silver, but nope. Wrong. Just slightly wrong. Here's the end of that belt buckle thing. It's nothing. It's just, it's just a costume. But looks like this delicate. I like delicate necklaces. It's the wrong color, but nope. What's this? That has a big. Why is that? They used a nice lobster claw on this thing. So, but it's nothing. No name on it whatsoever. But look at that. It's all hand done. I mean, they twisted that wire by hand. They wired this up all by hand. That's a lot of work went into that. I'll be able to resell it. Thank you very much. On stretchy, I hate that stuff. It breaks on you. I go to my booth and I'll see beads on the floor and there'll be a broken stretchy. That's it. Thanks everyone. So just the pearls, but they're nice. They don't photograph well, pearls for some, and they got gunk on them. But I'll see if I can clean them up. Okay. Thanks everyone.